products that I literally use on a constant basis, that I reach for. Like, don't think about it, just take. Every time I film, you have to be in the video, is it? Aren't you a very, very vain boy? Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, I'm without makeup. I wanted to start this video without makeup is because today's video is all about products that I have not put down for the past month or so, and I absolutely love them so much and 100% recommend all these products that I'm using today in this video to you guys. Some products are inexpensive, some products are high-end products. For me, what I feel is I'm very, very particular of what I put on my face before makeup, and after I remove my makeup, what I actually put on my face. That video will be coming up in a later part. All these products that I've used has not actually caused me any irritation to the skin. It actually keeps my face flawless, no buildup of bacteria or whiteheads, keeps everything in bay. And it's very, very important for me in that note is because I am oily combination skin, and if you use the wrong primer or wrong product on your skin, you may not know, but over time it actually like builds up oil production underneath the skin. First things first, what I always like to do before I put on my makeup is I'll go in with this Pixi Glow Tonic, and this is a very mild exfoliating toner. I like using this is because I use makeup like almost every single day. Sometimes you can't see it on your skin, but you do have like a little bit of like dead skin cells on your skin. So I like using this because it just removes and gives my face the right base and preparation for makeup. And at the same time, when you hear it's an exfoliating toner, you guys think that it will strip away your skin's moisture, but this doesn't strip away. It just helps you to clean your face a little bit extra before makeup, and that's very important. You don't want bacteria on your face and then put makeup on top of it. Not good. So next I'll go in with like an essence spray just to spritz my face down, just to give it a little bit with moisture and extra, you can say. This is optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can put it in your routine. If you don't want to, you can just skip this step, guys. Basically, I use the spritz is because I love the smell so much. So next I'll go between these two products, and this has like firming, it has hyaluronic acid in it. It's a bit pricey, so I like to go in like most of the times with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now I've been using this. I like this, it's because this is like a daily serum. You can just use it every day and you don't have to worry. So it's a daily serum and it's hyaluronic acid. This gives you the moisture. Very, very good for oily combination skin. This time and again I will use it. It's because it's more on the pricey side and I don't want to actually like use the product up so fast. For this one, the Skin Inc one, the daily dose, I normally use this like once a week. It's a really, really good product. Really, really helped my skin so much, guys. So I'll just go in with this. As you're hydrating your face, you do have to hydrate your neck as well. Well, I have used so many primers out there, and over time it actually, builds up whiteheads, and I just don't like any other primers, and this is the only primer that I've been using for months. And I can honestly tell you guys, this Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, this doesn't cause any buildups underneath the skin, especially when you have oily combination skin. You use the wrong primer, it does go into your pores and it does create buildup over time. This is just one of the best primers. I've not used any other primers except this for months now. Now finally we are ready for foundation. I have been loving the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Conceal Foundation. I'm in the shade 0910. That's a long name, guys. I've been loving this. Not only it is affordable, but the coverage that it gives me and how it actually lays on the skin is really, really beautiful. Besides this foundation, I like to go in is the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is like basically my second bottle of Fenty Beauty foundation already, but recently I've been loving this Milani foundation so much, so I'm going to apply it. I'll just go ahead with my beauty blender. And as you can see, it just gives my face very, very natural look, but at the same time, it doesn't actually make my face look like I am packed on with foundation. That's the reason why I love this foundation a lot, guys. For concealer, you guys know that I love the Kat Von D concealer, and there was no other concealer that could actually pull my attention away from the Kat Von D concealer. One concealer has pulled my attention away, and that is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I have not stopped using this since the time I bought this concealer, guys, and every time I wear my makeup, it's with this concealer. honestly guys, this concealer doesn't crease underneath my eyes. I really love this concealer so much. Okay, so for powders and setting powders, everybody has their own preference when it comes to setting powders, but my preference and my love for setting powders is this two. It's the Beauty Bakery setting powder or the Laura Mercier setting powder. Since I am medium skin tone, some of you like to put like banana powders underneath your eyes. I used to do that previously, but recently I just stopped doing that. I just went in with these two setting powders and it was actually perfect. You know, I didn't need the banana powder underneath my eyes. So today I'm going in with the Laura Mercier powder. And one thing about Laura Mercier powder, you can pack it on as much as you want, but once you dust it off, it's just like gone. You know, it doesn't leave like a residue on your skin or leave your area over here looking white. It gives me the perfect, look at it right now. It just gives that perfect attention right underneath the eyes. We are on to contour, blush and highlighter. Honestly guys, it's very hard to pick the right favorite contour or favorite blush. It's because there's so many out there in the market. But if I would want to pick and recommend to you guys the Too Faced Natural Face, is because you have everything in it. You can just take this on the go and out you go, because you have your contours, your blush and your highlighters. So you don't need to carry all three products separately. I love that so much. But if you're looking for like a contour kit, I would definitely say Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of the best contour kits out there. And then I would recommend the Benefit Hoola bronzer as well. If you're just looking for a bronzer, one of the best bronzers. It's a very, very natural bronzer. If you're looking for something not so pricey like all those items, I recommend the Sephora Micro Soft Micro Smooth Big Face Powder. This is not a contour, but it's a face powder, but you can pick this powder as a contour powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, apply this one for you guys. You can see. Then you just... It looks so beautiful for my skin. Okay, then for blush, I cannot recommend it because there are so many out there. So I'm just going to go do my blush off camera. So for highlighters, it's also very difficult to pick a favorite highlighter. For eyebrows, I am loving the Milani Easy Brow Automatic Pencil. This is one of the most easiest eyebrow pencils that I have actually used. Ever since I bought it, this is the only pencil I've been using to do my brows, guys. It's just that simple, and then I'll just go through it a little bit. I have to do my brows though. Some hairs that are coming in and out different directions. Okay, I mean for eyeliner, there are so many out there, so I'm not going to recommend eyeliner, but I would recommend a mascara. Do you know when sometimes we use the wrong mascaras, it tends to break apart and fall on your face? Too Faced one and the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I lost the word there for a second, guys. These two doesn't have like any break apart of, you know, like bits and pieces on your face, and it does really stay in place, guys. So I really like it. But both are literally waterproof mascaras, so you gotta use waterproof makeup remover to remove them, but they stay in place. And the volume it gives you. As you can see, I didn't actually do my eye at all. There's so many good eyeshadow brands out there, and it's really hard to pick a favorite eyeshadow. All are my favorites, so I'm just throwing that away and out of this video. To set my entire face, I absolutely love two setting spray. So one is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Water and the Urban Decay De-Sleek Setting Spray. These two, amazing. This just stays in place. This makes your face glowy, depending on which one that you want to use. So today, since you guys have seen me use this so many times, I'm going to use this on camera. And then after spraying like a bunch of setting spray, I'm just going to dry it off. So for lipstick today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani number 10 I Am Confident. Great lipstick as well. Sorry, I forgot the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. Let's go ahead and use our pinky. Put that there. Put that there. You saw the difference when you put the inner corner highlight, how it actually like brightens up your entire makeup look. That is actually the key, guys. Okay guys, so basically we are done with this look, and I have a lot of brands that I love as well, which I didn't mention in this video. But this video is based on products that I literally use on a constant basis, that I reach for immediately. Like, don't think about it, just take. These are the products. Really hope that you enjoyed this video, because I did. It's been like so long since I did a video for you guys, almost coming to a month now, or maybe it passed a month. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys definitely in the next one. Bye guys!